Just got the skid loader here cleaned up, and my sister's truck here. Been about probably 45 minutes doing that. Didn't go into too detail. Again, them super clean. These are both going to be dirty within the next week anyways. But we got a warm spell here. It's about 52 degrees out. You can walk around in a t-shirt if you wanted. Wind's blowing. Oh, it's a darn nice day out for middle of February. So got her washed up. Put some grease, just a little bit of grease in her. Get all the water out of the bearings. So move these cattle. I think I'm just going to use a open skid loader, the LS 170, since it's nice out. It'll be a little annoying when we put sawdust in a little bit maybe, but I'll probably just use it since it's nice out. But we cleaned this pen out 2-3 days ago. We're just going to clean the whole thing out again and put sawdust in, because it lasts a lot longer, I guess, especially with this weather. So that's what we're gonna do. Come on, girls, get up. Got done bedding pen 3 there, got her cleaned out. Dad's starting feed. We're gonna feed the big barn first so we can get up there and get the scraping done. It's kind of hard to feed. Well, the garage doors are shut. Can't feed all the way to the ends. Just putting the pressure washer away here. And then we'll head up there. So it is Friday. Had about a minimum of 2 inches of rain yesterday, and now you see the ground is white. She froze up and turned into sleet, and then turned into snow, and there's a really thick layer of ice underneath all of this, and then got about a ½ an inch of snow. So it just makes for a miserable day, and now it's like down in the teens, and it's cold out. Came down and fed the third heifer farm. Got her all bedded up. Be good for another week in the barn, and have enough feed down here for a few days also.
gotta flex his skills.